Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a button that is cancel order in Magento 2 in the customer account section. So here we can see that my orders we have put the new one that's for cancel order. On that click currently the status of the order, let's check what exactly the status of the order. What is the order ID? This is the order ID. Let's search in the admin panel. Sales orders. Let me search this order in the pending state. Let's view this order. So you can see this is the order that is in the pending state. Okay, so let us make this order to be cancelled. Let's go to this one. I'm going to place this order cancelled. See the button is hide and the order is already cancelled. Cancel status. If I go to this one, I'm going to reload this. You can see that order is cancelled, right? So how we are going to give this feature to the customer? Let's go to the code level. Okay, so it's very easy. So let's start the code. So first of all, let me go to my module. This is my module. We have controller order. Let's first of all go with the etc. We have the module xml front end, and we have a routes. So here you need to define the route id, that is cancel order, and the module name. Correct. Let's move to the next step. I will open the module.xml also so that you can write the code also. It's Magento sales and cancel order, right? Next, we move to the controller where we have to add the logic. So this is the basic controller. You can say you can make the basic controller action implements order interface, and here you can get the order ID and make the order by cancel order can cancel and save that order and show the message order has been cancelled successfully, or the order cannot be cancelled, and redirect to the sales order view page with the order ID passing. Simple logic. After that, on the view section, how we are going to show the buttons. For showing the buttons, go to the view front end layout. We have sales order view because it's an order view page. So let's open it and make the button. You need to call a block that is called the cancel order buttons.html, that is going to add a button. So we are using the class that is called order info buttons as buttons. Okay, and which template we are going to render, that is buttons.html, right? So let's go to the templates and go to the buttons.html. So here on the div actions, right, we have added one more field. Okay, that is for the order cancel. The first one is reorder, second one is can cancel. And here I am on the clicking of that button, I am hitting a controller where it get the order id and action can cancel. This is a basically class, so it go to the controller and see the execute method and do the process, right? So this is the overall how you can add a button and perform a action on how to cancel an order by the customer, right? So hope you understand how to cancel the order. Give the button to the customer so that they can cancel the order, so that you will be notified for notifications. You will also use the email templates over here, and you can do the configuration so that you can get the email, and when the order is cancelled you will notify the admin that this order has been cancelled by the customer, and you will take the action accordingly. So you can also add the emailing system over it also. Okay, so I'm not I haven't added this, so we can add it later on. I will we will see that. Okay, if you want that one also, you can write in the section, in the comment section, right? I want the when the triggering something happens, you need to send the email templates like this happening and something like this. Okay, so that's all that for canceling the order by the customer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment so that I can upload more and more videos on Magento. Thank you so much. Have a great day.